Before filling any dent, you'll want to make sure that the handles fit, tail lights, and so on. And then you can check it real quick for any high spots. Make sure that all the high spots are knocked down. For the first application of filler, we're just going to take care of some major low areas, then come back and spread it across the whole area. The first application of filler is some fiberglass reinforced filler, just for some extra strength and to seal up any imperfections when welding up the tear in this sheet metal from the accident. Just before it completely hardens, we'll hit it with this cheese grater blade just to knock down anything, any excess. I like to sand up these low spots before putting another coat of filler on, just to make sure it sticks real well. When the filler gets about as hard as a pencil eraser, you can use a cheese grater. And this just cuts off all the excess and makes your job a lot easier. You just go a bunch of different ways, basically just taking off those high ridges. And I know this is low right here. I'm sort of staying away from it. Now that we got this part flat, we'll lay down a piece of tape. And we gotta go right here. That looks good. Now we'll sand down to that tape line. We do have a high spot. Let me show you what we'll do with that. Again, we'll let this harden up a little bit, cheese grate it, and sand it. We'll DA sand this, prime it, and I'll be back. After finishing the filler work with some 80 grit and spraying 2 coats of primer surfacer, this panel is ready to be block sanded, primed again, finished sanded, and painted. I hope you enjoyed this video on repairing large dents with body filler. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.